This video, I have a mandarin color that I will do at this time of this shirt. So I have plackets on it, maybe 3 or 4 buttons on there. So first, this is the wrong side of the cloth. This is the front. I already attached the shoulder, both left and right. Okay, then the first thing is measure the size of the plackets. Plackets is the one that the buttons and buttonholes will be there. This time I want it to be 7 inches. 7 inches length. Okay, from here at the top, because I have already half centimeter on allowance on that, so 7 inches. You have to get first the middle of the front, this front blouse or shirt. You get the middle. You can get that by at the time that you are cutting the fabric, so you can lessen your time, or you can fold it like this blouse and then get the middle, right? So I will get 7 inches length here, get on the middle so that it is balanced. That is the purpose of the getting the middle of the front blouse. So 7 inches. 7 inches here. So draw a line straight. Later it will be cut. This drawing of pencil will be cut and it cannot be seen anymore. So after getting the middle, the size of my placket is 3 centimeters. So on the middle, you give only 1.5 centimeter on it. Divide them to get the balanced size, and 1/2 centimeter on the other side. So it will be 3 centimeter, right? Okay. I will do it until at the bottom. I will reach the bottom, and then I can draw a straight line, so it will be balanced. My first plackets project is 5 3/4 length only. So the 7 length is there and there. Oops. Draw a straight line until the 7 inches length. So I know already the half. I can remove the pin. I know already the middle. Now I need to give allowance both sides, 1 centimeter here, 1 centimeter at the right and left, for the sewing, stitching, attaching. Okay, 1 centimeter. So the total of them is 5 centimeter each, but the actual showing of the plackets is 3 centimeter. There you go, 1 centimeter. One centimeter. There you go. Then draw a line on the allowances. Later, the drawing of the pencil will be covered by the stitches. It will hide by the stitches, so there is no dirt on it. Okay, the next video is the cutting of this. I will end this video so it will not be long.